So over here, you can see that I have these two structures right here. And if I were to middle mouse click right here and click and drag, then you can see that I can view it from different angle. I can use the scroll mouse to zoom in and out as well. So right now what you're seeing is a certain camera view, and you can go ahead and change the camera view as you want as well. So to do that, you can go around onto the camera menu right here. And then over here, what you can do is you can go around over here onto the camera menu. So here you can see that there are standard views that you can go around over here and see. So if I were to go for top view, then you see the view from the top right here. Similarly, you can go for bottom view to see it from the bottom. You can simply go ahead and click the middle mouse button to get back and then rotate out your view from over there as well. So you can go around over here onto front and you see the front view right here. Go around over here onto back and you see the back view right here. The left view over here as well. And then you can go around onto right view as well, just like this. And you can also go for ISO right here, just like this, right? International Standard View right here for the view from the end. So apart from that, what you can also do is go for parallel projection. And once you do that, what happens is that you see a parallel orthographic view right here, just like this, without any perspective view right here. You can go around over here, and then from parallel projection, you can turn it back into perspective wherever you want as well. And you can also go for 2-point perspective right here, just like this, and then you see it like that right here, just like this. So you can go around over here and then go for parallel positioning as well from over here and see it just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize different sort of views right here as you want, parallel projection or perspective as you want, and then view it from different angles using the camera option right here inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.